Kain tayo!
May mahaba tayo dito pork ribs. At ito naman medium pork ribs. So, hiwain lang natin yan. At guys, ilalaga lang natin ito siya ng 30 minuto. At lagyan natin ng asin. At babanlawan lang natin ito guys. Lilinisan natin. Ayan guys, malinis ng ating pork ribs. So, imamarinate na natin ng toyo, ground pepper, at banana sauce. Garlic powder and water. Patis, kamote, carrots, peanut butter, hello to the world! Welcome sa aming channel at kumusta kayong lahat? And for today's mukbang, magmumukbang tayo ng
cheesy pork ribs calderita.
At meron tayong panghimagas guys. Meron ako ditong
Watermelon and
pakwan
pineapples.
at rice of course, brown rice. At pantulak guys, meron akong buko juice at si Daryl naman merong guava juice. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Mag-pray muna tayo bago tayo lumapang.
Father in heaven, thank you for this great day. Bless this wonderful food that's sitting in front of us. May it strengthen and nourish us. In your mighty name, amen.
Madamo nga salamat Ginoo. So, lapangan na. Lapangan na love.
Let's eat.
Malinis na ang aming mga kamay guys. Naghugas kami. We wash our hands before we...
Always.
Yep, always.
Look at that. Look at those.
Creamy, cheesy. Ang laki pa guys ng aming pork ribs. Cheers!
Cheers!
Kain tayo! Sarap.
What
Fall
happened?
Malambot kasi guys. Oops. Malambot ang ating pork ribs. Kasi pinakuluan
That's definitely a different flavor, hey? That's good though.
Yeah, thank you. It's creamy because of peanut butter and the cheese.
It's so good.
Thank you.
It's definitely not your typical American style type of rib though. Like it's not barbecuey or it's really good.
Filipino way.
Totally different. That's awesome. Sarap guys. I like them.
Thank you love. Sauce. Malapot yung sauce na guys.
We need to make some more room for get some sauce out of there.
Yeah, I cannot get the sauce. Nasa ilalim yung sauce.
Here, I'll move this rib. That might make some space for us to have some. Oh, it's not even a rib, really. It's just a riblet. Mmm. Mmm.
Sarap. Malasang malasa.
Sarap.
Kaya awas ko siyang minarinate doon sa ano guys sa soy sauce at Filipino ketchup.
It's delicious. Delicious. Let's steal the spoon and see if we can get some goo out of there. The goo.
Ito pala guys, hindi siya patatas. It's sweet potato lang.
Sweet potato.
Kamote. Kasi whatever we have in the house, that's what we use.
What we use.
Because we don't have potato guys.
We ran out of potatoes and we're growing them new ones, but...
Si Daryl guys, kakatanim niya lang ng patatas namin just after work.
Put them in the garden.
While I'm cooking this. Sorry love, I didn't help you.
It's alright.
Planting potatoes sa labas.
She's got a little bit of a big tummy right now. It's hard for her to bend over anyway.
Naubos na kasi yung patatas namin guys. So meron akong kamuti dito. Kaya yun ang ginamit ko instead of patatas. Because it takes like 10 minutes from home to go to town again. Mag-grocery ako. Sabi ko, I'm lazy just for patatas. And I was gonna spend money for gas.
Well, we had sweet potatoes here, so we might as well use them.
I used the sweet potato, so why not? Tapos kasi masarap siya sa kamuti. Yung ano, calderita natin na may kamuti. Alam niyo guys, yung nakalimutan ko na ilagay dito, yung brown sugar. Pero okay lang. Parang masarap rin siya kahit walang brown sugar.
That little bit of peanut butter you put in there is really good.
Thank you.
It's like, you can just taste it. It's
creamy, hey? What else you planted in the garden, love?
I planted 2 rows of yellow onions
Good.
and 2 rows of potatoes. 2 different kinds of potatoes. Yukon Golds and little red fingerling potatoes. There's a name for them, but I don't remember.
They're gonna be yummy.
I hope so. We'll be planting more stuff, but that's all the time I had. We'll be putting peas and beets and beans and
After
all
work,
kinds
guys,
of stuff in yet.
after work, pumunta siya sa garden and he nag-araro-araro siya, guys. You tilled the garden.
Yeah, part of it. Yeah, I do. I like to till it up right before I plant, so it's nice and soft, and then you don't walk in it; it looks all nice and flat. Maybe I'm too fussy. I don't know, but that's what I like. I like it to look perfect when I'm done. Am I too much of a fuss pot?
You're a perfectionist, that's why.
That's a bone, not a piece of meat.
Basta natrabaho si Daryl, guys. Gusto niya yung parang perfect dapat yung pagka. Ayun niya, half-half lang yung work niya dapat. It's good. It's not perfect, but at least it's, you know,
What's that?
the way you work all the time. You don't
Alright.
want half-half.
Yeah, if it ain't worth doing right,
No,
don't do it at all.
Love, I have no more rice.
You ate all your rice already?
Ito na lang naiwan. Ang
I
sarap,
know.
guys.
We're gonna get some more rice.
Yes.
Rice for more.
It's good. I like it better than the the patatas. Very creamy, love.
It's so good. That extra sauce is so yum. Very good, love.
Very
Look
good,
at
love.
that. But I like ribs
Sauce.
all the time.
Whatever cooking.
love ribs.
Yep, me too.
Pretty much any kind of ribs, I can eat them.
Palalo. Very saucy, hey? Saucy. Not sassy, but
Not sassy, saucy.
saucy. You can have the last one, love. This last rib.
What about you?
I got still lots in here.
Okay. Don't want you to go hungry. But I know she won't.
Always ako gutom, guys. I'm always hungry, hey?
Always hungry. She'll always find something to eat.
We should put apartment fridge upstairs, like a fridge, like small fridge.
That wouldn't be healthy for us.
Because we're gonna eat every hour.
And we wouldn't move. At least if we want food, we gotta walk up and down the stairs once. Right?
Sweet potato. Ito guys, sauce na lang naiwan. So, good. Messy to eat it, eh?
This is messy.
Ang kalat guys kasi. Good thing you're doing, but you're doing a good job, love. After this, guys, we're gonna take a walk outside. How's the weather outside now?
Looks like we could get wet. Might have to put a hat on.
Parang uulan, guys. A while ago, it's sunny.
Yeah, now there's a big black cloud there. We might get wet. Shoutout time!
Ito yung always nanonood sa aming channel, guys. Imelda Rojas, Let Calderon, Emily Viray, Brenny Lagangan, Myla Ambon, Iris Nikdao, Terdy Magat, Sile Iraw, Alo Ramos, Dorothy Ibanez, Senior Memi, Simrose Himaya, Abby Calderon, Mai Wowa. Maraming salamat, guys. Loreka Vlog, nagpapa-shoutout. Phoebe Bendanelio, Gogo Bactol, Larry Abbott from Maui, Hawaii. Hello. Hello, sir. Kylie Sikina, Double Romeo Kimas, Estrelita Tinko from Cavite, Island Padernal Vlogs from Manila, Taguig City, Anpart Mukbang, Christine Ogawa, at sa anak niya pala guys na may channel na Maria Chance Vlog. Panoorin nyo yan guys. At LV Deluxe Vlogs. May channel din to guys. Mami B from Honolulu, Hawaii. Hello. Muna Fajardo. Mamshi Ayi. So guys, maraming salamat guys. At sa mga gustong magpa-shoutout, just comment down below. At isa-shoutout namin yung name nyo. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. At magbababay na tayo.
We really thank all of our viewers for watching. We wouldn't be able to do this without you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It'll help our video. Thank you very much. God bless.
Love you guys.
Mabuhay.
Bye-bye.